Hello brothers and sisters, welcome back to my channel. My name is Javi. In this video, I would love to talk about unity consciousness. What is it and how do we get there? So unity consciousness is described in many forms throughout many lifetimes in many ways. It is also known as Christ consciousness and Buddha nature. It is the 0 point space where only true source consciousness or God's mind resides in. Unity consciousness is also accessed when we take away ourselves from our personal self, when we surrender to the heart and allow for this consciousness within our heart to blossom and bloom. Unity consciousness is also the consciousness where we will all eventually line up to, and there won't be no more differences, no more differences in opinions, no more differences in religion, no more differences in anything. You can even say we will become telepathic. I know that might sound pretty strange for some people that are not as aware, but most likely if you're watching this video, you are familiar with a lot of these concepts. And not only are they not concepts, they're actual truths once you dive in and discover your true nature and they become real, apparent to you. In unity consciousness, we will all be on the same wavelength. We will all not think alike, but be able to relate. So whenever I'm in the same space as you are, you will be able to naturally see what I'm feeling, what I'm observing. Now, let me give you an example. When you are cooking with someone you're very, very close with, you know the task. Your mindset and your awareness is on the same wavelength. So as you're chopping away the onions and they're chopping away the tomatoes, and sometimes you just move around each other. You know how they're going to move. You know how they're going to hand you the spoon. You know that you are in unity consciousness within that time. Now, this is just that specific situation. When we let our ego go and our personal identification, we align to God's mind, our true source, and we all get there, and then we all float in that space. And this is the great awakening. This is our true nature, and we are on our way there. Most of us already are doing the work. Most of us are diving into the heart. Like I said in the last video, the great awakening, it's happening. People are already choosing. If you picked on this video, you are it. You are one of the awakened and enlightened ones already. Maybe you might feel like you're not, but you are already there. It's just mental stuff still coming at you, and they're going to keep coming at you. But we already know. We already know who we are. We already know our true nature, and we already know not to give it any attention and just flow within our hearts. Thank you guys. All is love. Namaste. Please subscribe to this channel. Comment your experiences. Share with people that might need help in understanding this. This is the message of Jesus. This was the true message of Buddha and all the other sages that you know them all. Thank you guys. Until next video, all is love. Peace.